Hello there, this is Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the Pixel 6 January update, which was actually rolled out to the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro out here. So this actually has the bugs and then fixes of this device, but in this video I'm going to share with you what I've seen so far with this update. And if you're new, just give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So the first changes I saw was the fingerprint scanner. So with the fingerprint scanner, I think now the in-display fingerprint scanner, it's less responsive than it used to be. Actually, when this phone was released and a lot of people were complaining about their fingerprints, I had no problems with my fingerprints, but this January update has actually slowed my fingerprint scanner. When you check out right here, I tried opening it and sometimes it lags and I would have to just place my hand on it severally before it's actually gonna just unlock this device, which initially I just had to put my finger on the scanner once and then it's just gonna unlock, but now I would have to try it severally and then it's just gonna open my phone. So I think one way or the other, this update actually sorted the fingerprint scanner for other people, but with my device right here, I think it has slowed it a bit, which maybe in the future updates Google is actually gonna sort it out. So in case maybe you're also facing these problems too, just state in the comment section, and you probably might not know, Google might actually pay attention to whatever you're going to write out there. The next changes I also noticed on this device is the ability to turn on your camera with your off button. So initially when I double tap like this, it opens my camera with ease without lags and all, but now the screen of the phone actually turns a bit dark before it opens, which is a bit slower than it used to be. This phone has a very good RAM and it should be performing very well than it used to be, or than we are seeing right here. So I think Google should actually do something very cool about it, because the lags right here is actually going to just piss people off and they might just switch from this phone to any other device. So in case maybe you're also facing these problems or you saw something of this sort with your January update, just let us know in the comment section. Like I said, you might not know, Google might actually just see whatever is going on, and I probably don't have the Pixel 6 Pro, so I don't really know how it's going on right there on that device too. But in case maybe you are also watching this video coming through with your Pixel 6 Pro too, you can just also share your ideas on whatever you're also facing with this new January update too. So let's check out the next updates we found right here on this device. The next changes I also noticed on this device was with the rebooting. So right now when I reboot my device right here, it's kind of slower than it used to be, and initially when it reboots and then I type in my passcode, it just pops up, my apps just open right away, but now it will just hold a little before the apps are just gonna pop up, which is a bit sluggish, because I'm looking at it as if the phone is behaving like a phone which has been used for a very long time. But initially when I just reboot the phone and then I type in my passcode, I could just see the phone going to the main menu directly, or my home page directly. So you see right now I've rebooted the phone and I'm just gonna input my passcode because I can't use my fingerprint for the first time, and when I open the phone like this, you're gonna see the phone is just gonna stay like this, which is making it look a bit slower than it used to be. Initially I'll just get the apps popping up right away when I type in my passcode, but now it'll have to stay a bit longer, like how my Google Pixel 3 XL is actually behaving lately. But this phone is a new phone right here and it's a flagship, and we all want to use the flagship phones very well with its slickness and then smartness like we got from the box. So I think Google should actually check this out and make the phone a bit okay like it used to be in our February updates, which we'll probably be expecting a lot more than what we saw in this January update. So let's check out the next new thing. So with the network connectivity, a lot of people are actually complaining, but mine is a bit okay, it's not having any problems, and I have seen nothing really being wrong with this device right here. So I think with mine, the network connectivity is perfect and everything works perfect. I don't have my data just switching off like a lot of people are saying their devices are behaving like that. Mine works very well, so I have no problems with my network connectivity. So in case maybe you missed out my video on the tips and tricks of this device, you can just check this video out right here and it's gonna help you out know more about this device right here. In case maybe you want to consider buying it, that video is actually going to help you out. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.